For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline. The number of COVID-19 cases are on the rise in Tamil Nadu, and Chennai has contributed to nearly 50% of the cases, which has caused a major headache for the authorities. Tamil Nadu has the most number of cases of the 5 states in South India, and this is turning out to be a headache for the neighboring states as well. As on 6th June, the number of active cases reported in Tamil Nadu stands at 12,697. 15,762 people have been discharged from designated hospitals. 232 deaths, and the total number of COVID-19 cases stands at 28,694. Chennai has over 19,000 cases, and in that, over 50% of the cases have been attributed to the Coimbatore cluster. As on 6th June, the number of active cases reported in Chennai is 9,437. 10,210 people have been discharged from designated hospitals. 178 deaths, and total number of COVID-19 cases stands at 19,826. The patients are complaining that private hospitals were charging huge sums of money for COVID-19 treatment. The Indian Medical Association Tamil Nadu branch had also demanded that tariff in private hospitals be capped. The Tamil Nadu State Health Department has determined maximum applicable rates for per day treatment of COVID-19 patients in private hospitals. The hospitals have been classified under 2 categories: Grade A1, A2 and Grade A3, A4. Grade A1 and A2 hospitals may levy a maximum of 7,500 rupees per day. Grade A3 and A4 hospitals may levy up to 5,000 rupees per day for admission charges. In case of admission to intensive care unit, all hospitals, irrespective of the grades they fall under, have been instructed that the charges may not exceed 15,000 rupees per day. The government has also laid out conditions stating that a minimum of 25% of the beds in registered private hospitals must be allocated for COVID-19 patients who are covered under the Chief Minister's health insurance scheme. Healthcare professionals stated that it was a welcome step which makes the treatment affordable at a time when the pressure on government health infrastructure is very high. Fixing the rates helps the patients to some extent. Normally, the private players are not keen on taking in insurance patients, but under this situation, it would bring them some revenue. The government has taken this step as the government hospital bed limits are getting saturated. The complaints from patients were taken seriously by the Tamil Nadu government, so they filed a report and fixed a cap.
The charges that have been announced are the maximum. No fee over and above the permitted charges can be collected from the patients.
There were several reports in recent weeks about private hospitals fleecing COVID-19 patients by charging them over 20,000 rupees per day, and the state health minister had assured that the government would step in and cap the treatment cost.